And we are back this morning. Coleman Dental Group. We're always talking about Coleman Dental Group. They're accepting new patients. They have Dr. Alan Coleman, of course, Lisa Coleman with us this morning. You have Dr. Patrick English, Dr. Michael Coram. Michael Coram, we really don't talk enough about, but sedation is really huge in the dental industry because, you know, you have a lot more people that maybe have had a bad experience and they're a little intimidated for going to the dentist. I was one. I know I've gotten a letter from a gentleman that watches the show regularly, said thank you guys for getting me over my fear of the dental. But you guys have different things you can do between the gas and sedation. How do you make patients feel more comfortable when they come in?
Well, the oral sedation is a great way to do that. Generally you take something the night before and then the morning of and come in and along with nitrous, and a lot of times you don't remember much of the appointment.
Which is nice, so you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, for folks that are very anxious or have had bad experiences in the past, it's a great way to have a pleasant experience. I
wanted to ask you, we haven't talked in a while about that new camera that you guys have. When patients come in and they say they're just getting a cleaning or you've noticed a little bit of decay or something changing in them, do you get that camera out and check them?
Absolutely.
And then what do you're able to show them exactly what's happening, and then if they need to come back or if they put something off for 6 months, what does it usually look like when they come back?
Well, a lot of times it's worse. We like to show people where things are today and what could happen, without treatment. So
I'm probably the biggest, many of us are probably procrastinators out there. And we're like, oh, I'll take care of it later. Well, later it may be a root canal later or worse.
The trick is to fix it when it's small.
That way,
just a little filling. It's not a big deal. Usually.
Fillings come a long way since I've had my mouth filled with fillings, but I have the silver. What color are fillings these days?
Well, we still do the silver if the patient requests it, but most of the time we do these really nice tooth-colored fillings, and those come in several different shades, so we can match those to the shade of your teeth. And if you want to have those bleached before, we can definitely take care of that for you.
And talking about bleaching, that was a good segue there, Lisa.
Thank you very much.
We do, and these are really convenient. You don't have to worry about getting fitted for a tray. This is the new whitening that Coleman Dental Group has. It may not be new, but the product that they carry there. And for $50, you get a week's worth. And in 1 week, just applications, you can wear this, it says, for an hour, up to 7 days, 45 minutes. In 7 days, got a wider smile just like that.
Yeah. And those are really nice. They work a lot like the Crest White strips, but they're prescription strength. Almost twice as strong.
So you're going to cut that time in half, definitely.
But they have a little extra ingredient in there. So if you've tried to use those white strips that you can get at Walgreens and CVS and you've experienced a little bit of sensitivity and you've wound up wasting your money and throwing those away, these prescription strength have a little bit of fluoride in those, which
it's going to help.
It helps with the sensitivity.
And fluoride's so important, especially since we're drinking more sodas and kids are drinking these energy drinks, and it's just eating away at a lot.
My goodness.
All right.
Quit doing that.
Coleman Dental Group, 232-0789, taking new patients. A lot of times patients also ask, or I've had someone ask, hey, I've got this insurance. It's a little odd. I had to change insurance plans. Do they take insurance? And you guys take a lot of different
ones. A lot of insurance. And I've had several phone calls lately that since I've heard through the grapevine that you guys take the teacher's insurance. Keep that grapevine going. My goodness. Yeah, we take the teacher's insurance.
Good. Important, especially today. All right, well, get those cleaning set up. You can do it twice a year, or you can do it more, in fact, too. It always feels great when you leave your place after getting cleaning.
Yeah, thank you.
Dr. Coleman, thank you very much.
Good to be here.
You've been here a long time, doing great. 6 month smiles, too. Don't forget about that. That works. All right, thank you guys. Well, yesterday we had the pleasure of being at the grand opening. Bill Donovan opened up Pet Paradise Resort. It is very close to the airport. If you're traveling and you need to drop your pets off for a wonderful stay, we're going to go to that ribbon cutting. There's a brand new facility that's open, and they will definitely take great care of your pets. We're going to go to that video, and we'll be back with Allison in just a moment.